Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I have the pleasure to present you a wonderful villa located in a quiet residential area. If you want to see more, just follow me. Welcome to Villa Rosa, a complete, renovated and modernized villa. Let's check out and let me show you the inside. All right, so just after the entrance door, we have right behind me the massive independent kitchen, equipped with gas fire, upper cupboards, lower cupboards. You have integrated dishwasher. Then you have the fridge freezer here on this side. As I said, all integrated with and covered with panels. So on this main floor, if you follow me, we have here on the left-hand side the first bathroom with walk-in shower, second bathroom with another walk-in shower, and 3 bedrooms on this main floor, all equipped with air conditioning. Right, just coming out from the kitchen, placed just by going down these few steps directly into the dining area. Equipped as well with the wooden fireplace and direct access to the backyard, to the garden. Right, here we are in the living area. I have to say this is really tastefully decorated with plenty of details. You can see all the figures over here, the sofa, the mirror over there, as well equipped with air conditioning. So this is a really nice area. Right, where I'm staying right now, I will show you later on the video, takes you up to the first floor where all the bedrooms are located, and behind this door, direct access to the garage. So, and obviously directly from the living room, we have again direct access to the garden. Please follow me because I want to show you this beautiful garden area. So I just came out from the living room and it lays directly into this front porch, which is like a fantastic spot if you want to enjoy like your morning coffee, afternoon brunch, or like a dinner. This is amazing. Just check out. Let me show you the rest of the garden, which is very easy to maintain with artificial grass, really nicely decorated, I have to say. Another sitting area here where you just can sunbath or enjoy the afternoon, whatever, drink a nice cocktail. You have a hot tub here and a sauna. There's like some sunbath area here, outside shower, as well with the function of hot water, which doesn't many houses come with, and obviously a massive private pool. So can you imagine living here with your family and your kids, enjoying a swim in this 10x5 private pool? So then this could be the right property for you. Also, this property comes with a lovely feature I really like. You can play ping pong, or you can get strong because the owner has like his own gym. Right, here we are in the gym, private gym the owner has, also equipped with a few machines. You have a TV and a Bose music system. And what could be better? Training here, by getting stronger, and meanwhile you can watch out over the pool looking after your kids. What I really want to show you is the very highlight of the property, in my opinion. Probably you can see the smile on my face. This is this astonishing outside summer kitchen. The owner spent a whole fortune on it. It comes equipped with already pre-installed connection for washing machine, dishwasher, oven. You have a water filter system. You have outside music equipment, LED backlights, TV, electric shutter, American fridge freezer, and obviously you have the climatic awning as well, which you can open and close with the remote control. Right, so now it's time to show you the first floor. Please come on and follow me. Right, here we are on the first floor. This is one of the two main bedrooms this property has to offer. Both of the main bedrooms comes with ensuite bathroom. This one has the speciality that you have two terraces, one to my right and one to my left. The bathroom has like two sides of a standard bathroom. You have a bath and also walk-in shower in one room. Right, we are here in the second main bedroom. A few steps takes you up to the bed. Also like with lovely views from that window here. We got a second ensuite, also again double the size of a normal bathroom, comes with a bath and the walk-in shower. Very high ceilings in that bathroom. Separated by the two master bedrooms, we have here a walk-in closet. I just came out here from the main bedroom and takes you to this beautiful terrace where you can enjoy fantastic views by just sitting here and enjoy your coffee. What I really like on this villa as well, you have space for two cars, all equipped with automatic gates, so you have off-road parking spaces. You can park your car here inside, as you can see, and also obviously you have your garage. So if you enjoyed the video, click on the subscribe button below and put the thumbs up so we can create more digital content for you. See you next time. Bye.